Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to quickly fix an issue with Adobe Premiere Pro where export media doesn't work. So if you go to File, then Export and Media, and if you click on it and nothing happens, there might be a simple solution. The first one is by simply reopening the program. So first go to File and then press Save in order to save your project. You can also use Ctrl and S in order to quickly save your project. After that, close the Adobe and then reopen it, reopen the project, and then give it a try. This might work. However, if this doesn't work, another solution is by selecting everything that you have in your timeline. So for instance, if I want to render this, if I want to export this media, select everything that you have over here, select the video clip as well as the audio clip, and then after that go to File, click Export, and then go Media again. Of course, I have this error because I have offline media. However, after that, it should work. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!